Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on your headphones QCY T9. You have to start by open Settings, then go to Bluetooth and now make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now, if it doesn't help you, just close the case and open it again. Now, if this also doesn't help you, click on settings icon or information icon if you have iOS or Android. Forget this device, forget device. Now close the case and open it again to enter pairing mode. Now click on your headphones to connect them. And if it also doesn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press and hold multifunctional button on your headphones for at least 10 seconds. Now we can see a red light. Then close the case, click on information icon or settings icon. Forget this device, forget device. Cool. Now open the case and add your headphones. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.